Thank you for purchasing from the Clock Peddler. This video is to show you the proper way to unpack, set up, and run your Jerome Steeple clock. When you receive the clock, it will be wrapped in bubble wrap along with the pendulum and key, which will be wrapped separately and placed inside the case. Carefully unwrap without tugging or pulling to avoid damage to the case. The pendulum rod will be disabled with a rubber band. Just remove the rubber band off the two hooks and hang the pendulum. Starting the pendulum is simply just a little push like this. Winding the clock is done once a week. The right hand side is the time and it winds counterclockwise. It is fully wound right now, so I'm not going to try to wind it any further. The left hand side is the strike and it winds clockwise. So they both wind towards the center. That's probably an easy way to remember it. Setting the hands clockwise as you approach the hour, slow down, allow it to strike, and then continue on to the correct time. If the hands do not match the strike, use this small lever here, this little wire, lift it up, and that will advance the strike by 1 hour. Keep doing that until the strike matches what the hands read. In this case, I'm actually just going to move the hour hand back up to 7 because I know it just struck 7. Starting the clock again is just like that. If you do need to adjust the timing, that is done on the pendulum. The higher the pendulum ball is on the shaft, the faster it's going to go. The lower, the slower. And there's plenty of room for regulation here, so just move the nut up and down just to adjust the timing. As far as maintenance goes, it should be seen by a clock professional every 2 to 3 years for lubrication. We hope you enjoyed the video, and thank you for visiting our Etsy shop. Thank you.